Guys, welcome to my first vlog. I'll be reviewing the Honda City's iVTEC engine, and this will be a continuation to my blog I posted on my website, which was mainly about how the VTEC works. So let's open the engine bay right away. So this is the vehicle I'll be using to demonstrate how the VTEC engine works. This is 2012 model Honda City VTEC. This is owned by my friend Ayush Raj, and just look at the pose he's standing in. Have you ever seen that meme in which you are compared with the guy she told you not to worry about? Well, he is that guy. He is that guy. He can snatch your girl anytime because he owns a Honda City VTEC. That's enough said. So this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter iVTEC engine that is naturally aspirated, not at all turbocharged. So let's dive through it. This is the simplest example of the Honda's infamous iVTEC engine. It is powered by 1.5 liter iVTEC engine which is naturally aspirated. So what exactly the VTEC is? I have explained this on my blog, on my website, but I'll explain here too. So in general, in practical cars, there are two valves per cylinder, one for the fuel intake and one for the exhaust. In sports cars, there are four, two for the fuel inlet and two for the exhaust. But this vehicle, although it's a practical car, it has four valves per cylinder, in which generally two are active. When you are below 4700 RPM or around that range, only two valves per cylinders are active. This conserves a lot of fuel, but when you exceed that 4700 RPM line, the VTEC kicks in. The famous quote, the VTEC kicks in. So what happens is that all the four valves open and two are reserved for inlet, two are reserved for exhaust. So that excels the performance of the vehicle basically. So let's get to it. So let me check. Sis, when did you last change the engine oil of the vehicle?
Well, it was around May or June. I gave my vehicle for servicing. So
Okay.
That was the last time.
Anyways, coming on to the second point. You may say VTEC is overhyped. Every car has VTEC. The Toyota has the VVT Li. The Suzuki has the VVT, and the BMW has VAMOS. But what VTEC is exactly? So variable valve timing lift electronic control. Not only it controls the valve timing with RPM, but also it controls the electronic lift. What happens is throughout the shaft, there are a lot of cam lobes which are itself a set of three plates in which the middle one is a bit longer. You may refer to my blog I wrote on my website. So yes, what exactly is the cam profile of the engine changes once you hit the 4000 RPM, and I guess there are 3 or 4 cam profiles for this vehicle for each RPM range. So this is how VTEC differentiates from all these VAMOS, TI VCT, VVT, VVT Li, MyVec, etc. Let's get to driving. So let me tell you about this vehicle. In this vehicle, there is no launch control, no traction control, none of that bullshit. Let's get into the first gear. Left foot on the clutch, right foot on the brake. So, revving this vehicle up to 4500 RPM, and suddenly it launches. So this is the amount of torque steer you get from this vehicle, which is just insane from a practical car which costs, what was the cost of this vehicle?
12 lakhs.
Yes, so you're paying 12 lakh and this kind of performance, and this is just due to the dual character of this vehicle. This vehicle possesses a dual character, and trust me on this, when VTEC kicks in, the earth breaks, the ground shakes, and thus just hear the exhaust note of this vehicle. The wheel spinning is happening in between. Yes, from when you launch from 0 to 60, 0 to 60 km per hour, the wheel spin happens in between. This is the amount of torque steer you get from this vehicle after you cross 4700 RPM. This is just insane. I will cross the 4700 RPM. Just see what happens. A surge of power comes to life. Just listen to this. Can you hear the wheel spin? It is just insane. I absolutely love this engine. I absolutely love Honda in general. So this guy is listening a Mercedes song inside a Honda. I mean, this guy is more insane than this engine. I'm pretty much serious. I told you, this is that guy about which he told not to worry about. He's exactly that guy. I think you're trying to snatch my girl, right?
Of course.
And just listen to this exhaust. Just listen to it. So my friends, this is the VTEC power. Just So friends, this is a proof of how much I love Honda. This is a 1x32 model of a Honda NSX, which is known as the Acura NSX in the American, and I guess every left-hand drive market it is known as the Acura NSX, but here in the right-hand drive market it is known as the Honda NSX. I keep it with me all the time. So I would like to thank Ayush. Thank you.
Welcome.
An amazing vehicle you own, man. Really, I'm a bit jealous of you, to be honest. So yes, I'll be posting more blogs and more vlogs in the future. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. Thanks a lot.